Hello friends, today we are discussing about escape velocity. Here what is the escape velocity means? It is defined as the velocity with which any body is projected vertically upwards. ಅಂದರೆ object or any body must be projected vertically upwards so that it moves out of the gravitational field. ಅಂದರೆ object must be escaped from the gravitational field. It's nothing but earth ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Earth and it never come back. For example, rocket, it is also escaping vertically upward from the earth surface. So this is the earth. Mass of the earth is considering as capital M. Center of the earth is considering as O. Okay, from the center of the earth to surface of the earth, that is radius R. Okay, next one, from the this is considering as point P. Okay, vertically upwards, this is Q. Imaginary points, this is infinity, because that body never come back to the earth surface. Okay, that is escape velocity. Okay, this is total distance is considering as x, and this one P to x. Okay, this is considering as dx. Okay, mass of the body, that is considering as capital M. Okay, consider the earth to be a sphere of mass M, capital M I already said, and radius capital R. When a force on a body at a point P, when a force on a body, that is point P, ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ that body never come back. Okay, so we are applying a force on a body, that is F is equals to G ಅಂದರೆ universal gravitational constant into m divided by x square. Okay, x square. M ಅಂದರೆ mass of the earth, m ಅಂದರೆ object of the mass. Okay, let dw ಅಂದರೆ it's nothing but work done in doing work done. Okay, that is displacement. When a force is applying on a body, it will displaced. Okay, that is dx. Apply small work done for small displacement. Okay, small displacement, small work done. So that is dw is equals to f into dx. ಅಂದರೆ work done, ಅಂದರೆ work done means when we are applying force on a body, we will get small displacement. Okay, so dw is equals to f ಅಂದರೆ g into m1 m2 divided by x square. G m into m divided by x square dx as it is same. Okay, applying integration on both sides, integrating on both sides. Okay, integration on both sides, RHS and LHS. dw 0 to small work done, that is equals to distance r to infinity. Okay, distance r to infinity, and gm into m divided by x square dx. Okay, integration of d, that is work done 0 to w, lower limit upper limit, equals to g into m. These are the constant term, it will not changes. Integration of distance r to infinity. Okay, 1 divided by x square, remaining is integration of x square into dx. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, integration of 1 divided by x square into dx. Okay, next here w minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit, equals to g into m. bracket 1 divided by x square, integration of 1 divided by x square. See here, integration of 1 divided by x square, that is integration of x to the power minus 2, x to the power minus 2, x to the power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Okay, that is x to the power minus 1 divided by minus 1, and this x to the power minus 1, if you taken to the, it is shifted to the denominator, you will get minus 1 divided by x, because that power will be positive. So we will get minus 1 divided by x. Okay, minus 1 divided by x, and upper limit infinity, lower limit r. So w minus 0, that is w is equals to g into, here minus is considering as common, taken common, minus g m divided by 1 divided by x infinity r. Next, w is equals to minus g m, 1 substitute 1 divided by infinity minus, and 1 divided by r. Okay, next step, w is equals to minus g m into m divided by 1 by infinity, that is 0, 0 minus 1 by r. Next, w is equals to next one, see here, w is equals to g m divided by r. We will get minus into minus, it will be plus g m into 1 g m divided by r, as it is same. Okay, next, if VE, escape velocity of body, and that is considering to the kinetic energy, that is of mve square. Okay, of mve square equals to, and g m divided by r. Okay, g m divided by r, small m cancel, and small m cancel, we got, when small m is cancel, then we get ve square is equals to, and 2 into gm, 2gm divided by r. Next, ve equals to square root, we are writing in square root, 2gm into r divided by r into r. Next one, see here, g is equals to gm divided by r square. This is the equation of gravity. Here multiplying and divided by r. We are multiplying this equation by multiplying and divided by r. Okay, next step, see here, equals to 2gm. Okay, divided by r into r square, this r as it is same. Okay, next one, ve is equals to square root of, remaining 2g r, square root of, see here, sorry, don't cancel this right as it, this one, this step right as it is same. See here, g is equals to gm by r square, okay, so ve is equals to square root of 2, this is the equation of g, r is as it is same. This is the final equation of escape velocity.